In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade futures on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the trade button top right, and from here you want to select paper trading and click on connect. Now, right now you're inside the paper trading mode, so to actually trade futures, go to the top left and click on symbol search, and you want to switch over to futures over here. Here you want to find the futures you want. You can filter by countries. If you want to, you can filter by categories as well over here, up to you, or you can just search for a specific future. So if I search for example, S&P, there we go, we have a few over here. I'm just going to click on this E-mini over here, and I'm going to click on it. There we go. As you can see, it's going to open that specific future over here on my chart. And as you can see, I can now go ahead and paper trade it using this trade button top right. It's going to open the side panel. I can select if I want to buy or sell. And then, of course, the type of my order, how much I want to get, so buy or sell. And then I can, of course, also add take profits and stop losses. And, of course, whenever you're done, you can click on either the buy button or the sell button, and that's going to do the trick for you. That's how to paper trade futures directly on TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.